to change password on TikTok PC. So if you want to change password on your TikTok PC, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your browser and go with TikTok. Or if you have the application, your TikTok application, you can just simply go with your TikTok application. In my case, I don't have the TikTok application, so I'll just simply go and download it. Once you've downloaded, you need to open up your TikTok application. After opening, you can go with your profile, which is on the bottom left. And here you need to go with settings, which is on top right. And from your settings, you need to just go with the privacy section. And under privacy here, you may find change password option. Or if you don't find the change password option, then what you need to do is just simply go with your profile, which is on the top right, and then go with log out and click on log out. And then here you will have login option. You need to click on login, or you can on the top right, you will have login. You need to click on login. And as you can see that here, you'll have use QR code, use phone or email, continue with your Facebook, Google. So I'll just simply go with the second option. And here you need to enter the mobile number and then enter the 6-digit code that you've received in your mobile number. Or you can also go with your email or your username. So if you want to reset your password, if you want to change your password, you don't have change password option on your TikTok PC, but you can go with forgot password. Once you go with forgot password, you need to enter the email address and then enter the 6-digit code. And after that, it will take you to the reset password section and you need to reset your password. You can reset or recover your password, but you don't have change password option on your TikTok PC. So you need to use this method, like reset method, in order to change your password. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.